Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, hello Sobat Hebat Maksa Surba. Welcome back to online English lesson for SMP or MTS grade 9 with me Heru Haryadi. In this video, we are going to discuss about advertisement and I will focus on product advertisement. Before we start the lesson for today, let's say the dua together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabbah wa bil islami dina wa bi Muhammadin nabiyya wa rasulah. Rabbi zidni ilma warzuqni fahma waj'alni min ibadika shalihin. Alright, in the last meeting we have discussed about report text. Yeah, and for now we are going to discuss about advertisement. The Islamic base of the lesson is written on Quran Surah An-Nisa, verse 29. All believers do not devour one another's wealth illegally, but rather trade by mutual consent, and do not kill each other or yourselves. Surely Allah is ever merciful to you. Well, as I said before that today we are going to discuss about advertisement. But actually, there are many types of advertisement. This one, and also this one. But in this video, I will focus on product advertisement. There are some aspects that we will discuss in this video. The first one is definition of the advertisement itself, and then the purpose, types of advertisement, the structure, language features, and the last one is the characteristics of a good advertisement. Yeah, we are going to discuss all these aspects in this video. Okay, let's discuss it one by one, starting from the definition. Yeah, what is advertisement? Okay, advertisement is a picture and or set of words used to inform or to persuade people to buy a product or use a service. Purpose. Yeah, the purpose of advertisement. Why do people write an advertisement? Yeah, here to make a promotion, and then the second one to give an information, and the last one of course to persuade the reader to buy a product or use a service. Yeah, that is the purpose of advertisement. Okay, this one is about types of advertisement. Actually, there are 4 types of advertisement. The first one is product. Yeah, this is the example of the product advertisement. And then the second one is service. And this one, the example of the service advertisement, that is about cleaning service. And then the third one, event. Yeah, this is a poster of concert. And then the last one is job vacancy. Yeah, so there are 4 types of advertisement: product, service, event, and job vacancy. But for non-graders, I will focus on product and also service. But in this video, I will only focus on product. Okay, this one is about the structure of advertisement. Yeah, there are 3 parts when you want to write or make an advertisement. Yeah, the first one is head. Head means the name of the product or service. And then the next part is body, the description of the product or service. And the last part is contact. It can be phone number, it can be address, and it can be the website of that product or the website of the company. Okay, let's identify. Here I'll give you one picture that is the example of the advertisement, product advertisement, and let's discuss, let's identify the structure of this advertisement. Yeah, the first one is name of the product, and then the second one is description of the product, and the last one is contact. Okay, let's identify by looking at this picture. Yeah, name of the product. You can see here the name of the product, beef and pepper, and we can also watch the label of this product. Yeah, McDonald's. And then the description of the product, it's written in the below of this picture. A new kind of deliciousness and blah blah blah. Yeah, that's called as description of the product. And the last one is contact. Yeah, we can see here the contact information about the product. It is made from McDonald's company, and then yeah, we can also find out in Facebook. Well, the next explanation is about language features of advertisement. Yeah, this is the example of the advertisement. Let's discuss it later, but I will show you the language features first. Yeah, the advertisement is using simple present tense. And then the second one, advertisement also using persuasive sentence or slogan. And then the next language features is advertisement using special vocabulary or phrase. For example, great quality, perfect, comfortable, or etc. And the last language features, advertisement is using special expression. For example, buy one get one free, or sale 50% off, or etc. Yeah, let's identify the picture of the advertisement here. The shoe works if you do. Yeah, this is about shoe. Yeah, let's find out the simple present tense using in this advertisement. Yeah, you can see in the middle of this picture. Yeah, we call it as a simple present tense sentence. You can see there are a paragraph here. The Nike Suede Classic height is comfortable, blah 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 blah. Yeah, it's called as simple present tense. And then the second language features is using persuasive sentence. The shoe works if you do. Yeah, this sentence is called as persuasive sentence. When the reader read this sentence, yeah, it will make the readers want to buy this product. And then about the slogan, you can see in the below of this picture, just do it. Yeah, it's called as slogan. And then about the special vocabulary, you can see here the great quality is also written in this sentence or in this paragraph. Great quality, and then perfect, comfortable, or etc. And then the next part is about special expression. Buy one get one free, sale 50% off, or etc. But we cannot see the special expression in this advertisement, but it's okay. Well, the characteristics of a good advertisement. Yeah, actually there are three kinds of the characteristic of a good advertisement. The first one is persuasive, effective, and the last one is the advertisement must be interesting. Okay, persuasive means the content should be persuade the reader to buy the product or use the service. And then effective means the content should be in a simple text to give a clear message. So advertisement should not written in a long text, but also just just write in simple text, yeah, to give a clear message. And then the last one is interesting, by giving a colorful text, picture, and etc. Yeah, this is about the design of the advertisement itself. So if the advertisement, there are three kinds of this characteristic, yeah, we can say that those advertisement is a good advertisement. Yeah, it's time to do the exercise. Here I will show you two pictures, and what you have to do is comprehend the following pictures of advertisement and then answer the question in Google Classroom based on these pictures. Yeah, this is the first picture for you. I'll give you a product advertisement here. Please look at this picture carefully. Alright, this is the second picture for you. This is also a product advertisement. Yeah, because in this video, as I said before, that I just focus on product advertisement. How about service advertisement? Yeah, we will discuss it in the next video. Please have a look to these pictures carefully. This is about shoe. Okay, Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. This is the end of this video lesson for today. We have discussed about advertisement, especially focus on product advertisement. I think that's all for today, the video lesson. Thank you for your attention. Don't forget to do the assignment in Google Classroom. I already provide the Google form. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you on the next video.